Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can download Google Chrome on our MacBook. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, we need to click on the Safari app, which is located on the bottom of your Mac screen. So as we tap it open, it will show us this kind of interface where we have to type in the Google URL, which is http://www.google.com/chrome/. After typing in the URL, you will end up into this kind of interface where you need to simply click on the first given link. To click it open, you will end up in this kind of interface. Now all you need to do is click on the download button. After you click on it, you will have to click on the accept and install button as well. As you do so, your Google Chrome will start to download in your MacBook. So after the download process completes, you have to click on the DMG file. Now all you gotta do is drag the DMG file into the folder like structure, and finally you will get your Chrome downloaded on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these kind of informative videos again.